Good morning, students. Today, for class 1, we are going to conduct chapter number 4, the keyboard. We would try to complete the chapter along with the exercise in today's session itself. Keyboard is a input device for the computer. Students, a input device is a machine or a device which is used to provide instructions, command and necessary data to the computer. Whatever we type on the keyboard is being mentioned or displayed on the screen. The instructions or command given to the computer is by using a input device. Keyboard is one of the input device as well as mouse, scanner, etc. are commonly seen input devices. So let's start with the chapter. We use a pencil to write in a notebook. You guys use pencil or pen to write something on the notebook. You use chalk to write something on the board. So similarly, we use a keyboard to write on a computer. So let's look into the chapter look into this device in this chapter. So what we are going to learn here is we are going to learn about the alphabet keys, number keys, space bar, enter key, arrows key, backspace and delete key, caps lock key and tux typing. In your front, you can see a keyboard. This is the normal keyboard which we can see attached to a computer at your home, office, or in the school lab. Keyboard consists of different types of key which we will study about. A keyboard has keys. We press these keys to type. Whatever we type, we can see on the monitor. There are many types of key. There are many types of key on a keyboard. Some important keys on a keyboard are shown below. So this is a keyboard. These keys which are started with F1 to F12, these are functional keys. The keys from number 1 to 0, these keys are called as your number keys. The keys on which alphabets are written, A, B, C, D, E, F, these are known as alphabet key. The longest key on the keyboard is your space bar. We have enter button, backspace, delete, arrow keys. So these are the 7 different type of keys available on your keyboard, which we will discuss in today's session. First of all, if I make you an example, so on your screen right now, this blinking cursor, which is blinking, this blinking dash sign is known as cursor. Wherever this blinking, the cursor is blinking, the next letter, whatever you will type, will be shown at this blinking cursor position. So let's start typing class 1. So as you can see that it appeared on the position where the cursor was blinking. Okay, so what is a cursor? A blinking line on the monitor shows where we can start typing is called cursor. So as you can see in our previous example itself, that where the cursor was blinking, whatever I have typed appeared at that position itself. Okay, so let's start with our first type of key, that is alphabet keys. We use alphabet keys to type letter. When we want to type some letter, English letters, we use alphabet keys. To type the word games, press the buttons GAMES one by one. So let's do it. Before that, let's make the cursor little bit bigger so that it will be visible for you. I think now it's visible. So let's type the word GAMES. I used alphabet key to type this word on the screen. There are 26 alphabet keys. As you know that English language contains 26 letters starting from A to Z. Similarly, on your keyboard also you will find 26 alphabet keys which will start from letter A to letter Z. Press a key only once to type a letter. Do not keep the key pressed. This will type this letter many times. What does that mean? That if you want to write the letter, just type it once, like I have typed G once, so it's showing once. But if I keep pressing A, I'll be pressing A. अब मैं A को दबा के रखूँगा. So if I keep pressing A, so as you can see, the same letter is typed so many times. So if you want to type a letter, you have to just press it once. Don't keep it pressing. Number keys. We use number keys to type numbers. To type number 10, we press the key 1, 0, 1 by 1. What does that mean? That the number keys are used to type the numbers, and if you want to type 10, you have to separately press 1 and 0 and it becomes 10.